how much should you actually spend on side skirts for your Audi SE? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Muxru Universal Side Skirts. Let's kick things off with the Muxru Universal Side Skirts. Priced at just $29.90, this product immediately caught my eye because of its affordability. If you want a cost-effective way to protect your car from scratches and enhance its look, this is worth a serious look. The 8.2 FT length and 3.15 in width make it versatile for various vehicle types, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. It's made of high-quality rubber, which means it's flexible and can withstand heat, cold, and water. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's perfect for covering up wear and tear or preventing future scratches, especially if you frequently park near curbs or tight spots. With 198 reviews, it holds a solid 4.2-star rating. Now, some users mentioned that it can fall off if not installed properly. Here's the thing though, make sure you clean the surface well before applying and give it time to set. If you follow those instructions, it should stay put just fine. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-install option. Skip this one if you want something more permanent or high-end. For the price, it's genuinely a good value. Now, if the installation concerns with the Muxru bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more robust build. Product number 2, Zodic Tech Side Skirts. Next up, we have the Zodic Tech Car Lower Side Skirts priced at $66.98. I was drawn to its glossy black finish and the promise of improved vehicle stability. If you're after something that offers both style and function, this is definitely worth considering. Made from high-quality ABS material, these side skirts are lightweight yet impact-resistant. The installation is DIY-friendly, and it's designed to reduce air resistance, which is great for those who enjoy a smooth driving experience. With 56 reviews, it has a decent 4-star rating. However, some buyers noted that the installation can be tricky and might require drilling. Now, I get that can be a deal-breaker for some, but if you're comfortable with DIY projects, it's a manageable task. Plus, the end result is worth it with a more aggressive look and better aerodynamics. This is perfect for you if you want to enhance your Audi's sporty vibe without spending a fortune. Skip this one if you're not up for a DIY installation, but it's a solid investment for the right person. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a perfect fit for their specific model. Product number 3, Jofer V1 Style Side Skirts Glossy Black. Third, let's check out the Jofer V1 Style Side Skirts, specifically designed for Toyota Camry models, priced at $169.99. I found its sleek design to be eye-catching and premium. If you want to make your car stand out while ensuring a perfect fit, this is a great option. They come with installation screws and a promise of easy installation, though you do need to remove any existing mudguards. The aesthetic appeal is undeniable. It gives your car a sporty edge while providing protection from road debris. With a 4.4-star rating from 25 reviews, it's definitely well received. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't fit the Camry TRD model, so be careful with compatibility. But if you own one of the supported models, it's a fantastic addition that significantly improves both looks and functionality. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a model-specific skirt that enhances both aesthetics and protection. Skip this one if you have a TRD model, as it won't fit. For the quality, it's worth every penny. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option but still stylish, the next one might just be what you need. Product number 4, Jofer V1 Style Side Skirts Matte Black. Next on our list is the Jofer V1 Style Side Skirts in Matte Black, also at $159.99. I love that this option allows for a personalized touch. If you want an aggressive look that you can customize, this is definitely worth checking out. Like its glossy counterpart, this model is made of the same durable injection ABS material, ensuring it can withstand tough conditions. It's designed to give your car a sporty appearance while protecting it from road debris. The matte finish gives a low-profile yet striking look, making your car stand out in a subtle way. With the same 4.4-star rating, it's evident that users appreciate the quality. However, just like the glossy version, it won't fit the Camry TRD model. Some users also noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. However, if you're handy and looking for that matte aesthetic, it's a great choice. This is perfect for you if you enjoy customizing your ride and want something that looks different. Skip this one if you don't want to deal with potential installation confusion. For the quality and style, you're getting a solid deal. Now, if you need something even more affordable but still stylish, stick around for the last product. Product number 5, Yayo Bumper Diffuser Spoilers. Finally, let's talk about the Yayo Bumper Diffuser Spoilers, priced at just $13.99. This caught my attention due to its incredibly low price point. If you're on a tight budget but want to add some style and protection, this is definitely an option. Made from durable PP material, these spoilers boast good strength and toughness, effectively protecting your rear bumper from collisions and scratches. It also helps reduce air resistance, making your driving experience smoother. With a 3.8-star rating from 47 reviews, it's a practical choice for many drivers. However, some users mention that the installation can be a bit challenging if proper mounting holes aren't available. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to drill and put in a little effort, the results can be quite rewarding. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an inexpensive way to enhance your vehicle's appearance and protection. Skip this one if you want something that's easier to install without any drilling. For the price, it's hard to beat. So there you have it, 5 great side skirt options for your Audi SE. From the budget-friendly Muxru to the stylish Yofer V1 in matte black, each has its perks and drawbacks. Depending on your needs and budget, there's definitely something here for everyone.